Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you need to clean up those electronics, then this Falcon dust off is the way to do it. This is a compressed air electronics duster, and it comes in a 4-pack. And this stuff is awesome for cleaning out all those little tiny hard to reach places in your keyboards and other things where it is just impossible to get in there and clean and make them look shiny and new just by using the power of compressed air. These cans come with this little straw-like piece here, and you just pop it onto the end and then you are good to go. You don't want to shake this, you just keep it upright and then you just pull the trigger and get to cleaning. The trigger function works really well. It's super easy to pull it and it is really effective. So you can clean your electronics, you could clean in your car and the console and all those places where it gets really grimy and dusty and really hard to clean. This is the perfect solution. So it's an effective clean, it's easy to use, and it's kind of fun to do. And that's my point of view.